And we are back. I'm here with Sheila McGee Smith, and this, guys, is going to be a crash course because Sheila's here, but she's got to be somewhere else in the next 7 minutes. Because are you on stage or
I am indeed.
You're on stage, so we're going to go fast and furious. Right now, Sheila, you lead the contact center at Enterprise Connect. What is the most exciting thing you've seen at this show as it relates to the contact center?
So, very big announcement yesterday from the keynote stage that AWS will have their own contact center solution. What they have done is take something that they built for themselves that runs on the AWS cloud, and they are now delivering it as a service to anybody who wants to buy it.
That's huge.
So huge, it is absolutely huge. And probably the biggest part of the announcement is the fact that they used that software themselves for the 2016 Christmas season to support the Amazon
Holy
site.
Smokes.
Tens of thousands of agents all over the country being supported by that piece of software.
Talk about a
exciting.
testimony.
Yeah.
And
very
what
exciting.
kills me about the same thing is, I mean, that's one thing to make a statement, but to, if you will, for lack of a word, something that new to put it at risk at your biggest time of the year. That's bold. That is bold. All right, question number 2. One of your sessions you had today was titled, "Is Cloud Contact Center the New Normal?" So that was your question. What was the answer?
So I had 5 panelists. I had 2 from companies that deliver cloud contact center solutions only on the cloud. I had 2 panelists that came from companies that have all 3 types of solutions: premises-based, cloud-based in a data center, and multi-tenant cloud in a public cloud, right? What was interesting is I asked each of them to talk about case studies. All 3 of them talked about cloud.
Really?
Right? I mean, all 5 of them talked about cloud.
Yeah.
And so what's interesting is even as they came to the table, it was about cloud. I would say the answer at the end of the day was a resounding, is cloud the new normal for contact center? Resounding yes.
So there's no ambiguity. That's how they just came to the table. That was what they were prepared to talk about almost
Right.
no matter.
Exactly. What happens is that as companies have premises equipment that becomes dated and needs to be replaced, cloud is always part of the conversation. It may not always get the win today, but it's always part of the conversation.
All right, last question for you. Artificial intelligence, analytics, bots, big topics here as we talk to all our experts, we talk to the attendees of the show. Question for you is, are those items, are they going to impact the contact center in a big way soon?
Absolutely, and I think one of the drivers of that is going to be Salesforce. So September 2016, Salesforce announced Einstein, which was an AI layer in their customer success platform, right? And at first you think, okay, so that's sort of a loose capability, who's going to do anything with it? Aha. By February 2017, they have already started deploying Einstein-based applications into each of the clouds that Salesforce has. The Service Cloud is the one that's closest to the contact center. And as I said, already they're beginning to create turnkey applications that use the Salesforce data to inform an agent to help them make better decisions as they deal with customers. So are AIs, bots, and IoT as well, are they big topics for contact center? Absolutely, and I would hazard to say that we in the contact center will be using those first. Why? We drive the money.
Yeah, you do.
We drive the money in the business.
The front line on the money machine.
And so there's always a reason to try and to do something new and exciting in the contact center because it's going to have a direct impact on the bottom line. Somebody wants to have a new collaboration application, somebody wants to have a new phone, maybe that can wait. Customer experience can't wait.
All right, I know you got to go. You are with Sheila McGee Analytics, correct?
McGee Smith Analytics.
McGee Smith Analytics, thank you so much. So now, if someone wants to learn more about you, McGee Smith Analytics, and what you guys do, what's the best way to get a hold of you?
McGeesmith.com.
Wow. With that, you go. Hope you enjoyed that. Fast, furious, but all the facts you need right here at this live stream. We'll talk to you soon, folks. Take care.
Thank you.